Hello students, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to continue our chapter number 6, the junk seller part 5, and today we are going to do CW work. Students, we have to continue our question number 2, complete the table of CW. So this topic is related to gain or loss. So first of all we will see the introduction about the gain or loss, cost price, selling price and profit or loss. Okay, so what is cost price? The price at which an item is purchased. Cost price का मतलब होता है कि अगर कोई आइटम अगर हम लोग परचेज कर रहे हैं तो जो प्राइस से परचेज करते हैं उसको बोलते हैं कॉस्ट प्राइस. नेक्स्ट इज सेलिंग प्राइस. द प्राइस एट विच एन आइटम इज सोल्ड. सेलिंग प्राइस वो होती है अगर कोई हम आइटम सोल्ड करते हैं, बेचते हैं, तो जो प्राइस होती है उसको बोलेंगे सेलिंग प्राइस. व्हेन सेलिंग प्राइस इज मोर देन कॉस्ट प्राइस. अगर सेलिंग प्राइस ज्यादा होती है कॉस्ट प्राइस से तो हमको मिलेगा गेन और प्रॉफिट. गेन और प्रॉफिट सेम ही होता है. प्रॉफिट इज इक्वल टू, प्रॉफिट कैसे फाइंड करेंगे हम लोग? सेलिंग प्राइस माइनस कॉस्ट प्राइस. सेलिंग प्राइस में से कॉस्ट प्राइस को माइनस करेंगे. व्हेन कॉस्ट प्राइस इज मोर देन सेलिंग प्राइस. अगर कॉस्ट प्राइस ज्यादा है सेलिंग प्राइस से तो हमको मिलेगा लॉस. सो हाउ वी विल फाइंड द लॉस? कॉस्ट प्राइस माइनस सेलिंग प्राइस. कॉस्ट प्राइस में से सेलिंग प्राइस को माइनस करेंगे. सो are you ready to start our question number 2? Complete the table. Let's do. The first column is of item, second is cost price, third is selling price, gain or loss, and the last column is of amount. So let's see the first. The first item is hat. And the cost price is 38. मीन्स हैट हमने कितने रुपीस की खरीदी है? रुपीस 38. और हमने बेची उसको, सेलिंग प्राइस इज रुपीस 60. सो स्टूडेंट्स, विच इज मोर, सेलिंग प्राइस और कॉस्ट प्राइस? सेलिंग प्राइस इज मोर. सो इफ सेलिंग प्राइस इज मोर we will get gain. So we will write gain here and then we will find amount. So what we will do? We will minus selling price minus cost price. So selling price is rupees 60 minus rupees 38. What is 60 minus 38? Rupees 22. So the amount is rupees 22. Let's see next item. Next is ball. Cost price of ball is rupees 18 and selling price of ball is rupees 16. So you can see here cost price is more. अगर कॉस्ट प्राइस ज्यादा होती है तो हमको मिलता है लॉस. ओके, सो वी विल राइट हियर लॉस. नाउ वी विल फाइंड द अमाउंट. कॉस्ट प्राइस माइनस सेलिंग प्राइस. कॉस्ट प्राइस इज रुपीज 18 माइनस रुपीज 16. दैट इज रुपीज 2. अंडरस्टूड? नेक्स्ट आइटम इज comb. The cost price is comb is rupees 5 and selling price is rupees 8. So selling price is more, so we will get gain. Let's find the amount. Rupees 8 minus rupees 5 is equal to rupees 3. Next item is umbrella. Cost price of umbrella is rupees 215 and selling price of umbrella is 225. So which is more? Selling price is more. So we will get gain. Amount is rupees 225 minus rupees 215 is equal to rupees 10. So we will get rupees 10 as gain. Next is earring. The cost price of earring is rupees 55 and selling price हमने उसको बेचे रुपीज 53 में. So here which price is more? Cost price or selling price? Cost price is more. तो अगर cost price ज्यादा है तो हमको मिलेगा loss. And then amount. So cost price minus selling price, rupees 55 minus rupees 53, that is rupees 2. That is our loss. Next is dairy. Cost price of dairy is rupees 35 and selling price is rupees 39. Which price is more? Selling price. So selling price is more, so we will get gain. Rupees 39 minus rupees 35 is equal to rupees 4. Now next is fill in the blanks. So students, let's see. The first fill in the blanks is 24 multiplied by 100. So students, we have already done like this type of fill in the blanks orally in textbook. So let's see how we have to do. 24 ones is 24 and we will add 2 zeros of 100. So what will be the answer? 24 ones are 24 and 2 zeros. So answer is 2400 or 2400. So answer is 2400. Next is B. 721 multiplied by 10. So we will do the same way. 721 multiply 1 is 721 and we will add 1 zero of 10. So what is the answer? 7210. Let's see next. Number C. 126 multiply dash is equal to 1260. So students, you know, here answer is already given. We have to find out that with which number 126 will be multiplied, that the answer will be 1260. So you can see in answer one extra zero is there. So we have to write here 10 as answer. If we will multiply 126 with 10, we will get 1260. Next is D. 56 multiplied dash is equal to 56,000. So you know in the answer itself that the answer is 56,000. So in answer there are 3 zeros. So we have to multiply 56 with 1000. So we will get 56 multiply 1000 is equal to 56,000. Next is E. 92 multiply 1000 is equal to. So if we will multiply 92 with 1000, we will get 92,000. Next is F. 264 multiply dash is equal to 264. So you can see that if we multiply any number with 1, we will get the same number. So question is also the same and answer is also the same. So 264 we will multiply with 1. So we will get 264. Next is number G. 7265 multiply 0 is equal to dash. So students, you know that if we multiply any number with 0, the answer will be the 0 itself. So 7265 multiply 0 is equal to 0. Next is H. 30 multiply 50 is equal to dash multiply 30. So how we will find this? So you can see here 3 multiply 5 is 15. 3 5s is also 15. And if we will multiply 5 with 3, we will also get 15. So 3 5s is also 15 and 5 3s is also 15. So in the same way, we can also write here 30 multiplied by 50 is also 1500 and 50 multiplied 30 is also 1500. So we will write here 50. Next is I. In the same way, 2403 multiply 12. So the answer of 2403 multiplied by 12 is also the same as 12 multiplied by 2403. 3. Okay. Next is J. 930 multiply dash is equal to 0. So you can see here the answer is 0. So 930 would be multiplied with 0. That's why the answer is 0. So 930 multiplied 0 is equal to 0. Next is K. 561 multiply 1 is equal to dash. So any number multiplied by 1 is the same number. So we will get the same number as 561. Next is L. 12 multiplied by 1000 is equal to dash. So 12 ones are is 12 and 3 zeros we will put that. Why the answer is 12,000. Now students, let's see the next question that is answer the following. The first question is number A. There are 350 toffees in a box. एक बॉक्स में कितनी टॉफीज है 350. How many toffees are there in 4 such boxes? 4 boxes में कितनी टॉफीज होगी अगर एक बॉक्स में 350 है तो? Let's see the answer. In one box there are 350. So in 4 box, how much? So we will do cross multiply. That is 4 multiply 350. Let's multiply. 350 is number of toffees. Multiply 4, that is number of boxes. Next we will multiply. 4 zeros is 0. 4 fives is 20. So the 0 of 20 we will write down and 2 carry over. Okay. 4 threes is 12. So 12 plus 2 is 14. So we will write 14 here. So the total toffees in 4 boxes is 1400. The last statement is there are 1400 toffees in 4 boxes. Now the second is number B. How much will it cost to purchase 20 calculators if each costs rupees 235? What is the question? यहाँ पे पूछ रहा है अगर एक कैलकुलेटर की प्राइस है रुपीज 235. सो अगर 20 कैलकुलेटर्स हमको परचेज करने हैं तो उसकी कॉस्ट क्या होगी? सो लेट्स फाइंड आउट calculator and its cost. One calculator cost rupees 235. So 20 calculator, how much? So we will cross multiply. 20 multiply rupees 235. 235 is cost of one calculator. Multiply by 20, that is number of calculator. Let's multiply. The first number is 0. So 0 5s is 0, 0 3s are 0, 0 2s are 0. Now the next number is 2. But before multiplying we have to put a cross there. Students, mind well, if you don't want to put cross, you can also put there 0 instead of cross. So we will keep there cross. Then next number is 2. 2 multiply 5 is 2 5s are 10. So the 0 of 10 we will put down and the 1 remaining we will carry over. Understood? Next is 2 multiply 3. 2 3s are is 6 and 6 plus 1 is 7. So we will write here 7. Next is 2 multiply 2, that is 2 2s are 4. So now let's add. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 7 is 7 and 4. So total amount is 4700. The last statement is the cost of 20 calculator is rupees 4,700. Next is number C. A rose plant contains 7 roses. One rose plant have how many roses? 7 roses. If there are 205 such plants in a rose garden, अगर ऐसे ही सेम 205 plants है रोज के गार्डन में, then how many roses are there in the garden? So total how many roses are there we have to find out. So let's see the answer. Rose plant and roses. One rose plant have 7 roses. So 205 rose plant have how much? So we will cross multiply. 205 multiplied by 7. 205 is number of plants in the garden. Multiply by 7. That is roses on each plant. एक plant पे 7 roses है. Let's multiply. 7 multiply 5 is 7 5s are 35. So 5 we will keep down and 3 carry over. 7 zeros are is 0. So 0 plus carry over 3. So 0 plus 3 is 3. 7 2s are 14. So we will keep 14 here. Understood? Total roses are 1435. The last statement is there are 1435 roses in the garden. Thank you, students.